हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 18 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, Yulia Sviridenko has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? And the answer is Ukraine. Second question. 114-year-old Fauja Singh passed away recently. Who was he? And the answer is athlete. Third question. Recently, at which place the Indian Army has successfully tested the Akash Prime air defense system at an altitude of 15,000 feet? And the answer is Ladakh. Fourth question. Which city has recently been awarded the cleanest city of India? And the answer is Indore. Fifth question. Dror-1 is the most advanced communication satellite of which country, which has been launched recently? And the answer is Israel. Sixth question. Andrew Russell has announced his retirement from international cricket. He is a famous player of which team? And the answer is West Indies. Seventh question. Which state has become the first state to give agriculture status to livestock and poultry? And the answer is Maharashtra. Eighth question. Which state has launched India's first tribal genome sequencing project? And the answer is Gujarat. Ninth question. Recently, which country is planning to give the right to vote to 16 and 17 years old in all elections? And the answer is Britain. 10th question. The Election Commission has appointed Neetu Chandra and whom else as systematic voter education and electoral participation icons for Bihar? And the answer is Kranti Prakash Jha. 11th question. Who has been appointed as the Director of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? And the answer is Ajay Kumar Srivastav. 12th question. On which of the following days National Mandela International Day is celebrated? And the answer is 18th July. 13th question. Who launched the MyDeed National Generic Document Registration System pilot project? And the answer is Sukhbinder Singh Suku. 14th question. Which state government has launched India's first roll-on, roll-off ferry service? And the answer is Goa. 15th question. Which foreign university has recently set up its first campus in India? And the answer is University of Southampton. 16th question. Which union minister was recently honored with the Kalinga Ratna Award 2024? And the answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. 17th question. Which ministry organized the 9th edition of Swachh Survekshan 2024-25 award ceremony? And the answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. 18th question. Recently, India sent 3 lakh doses of measles and rubella vaccines to which country? And the answer is Bolivia. 19th question. Which country has set a new world record for internet speed reaching 1.2 petabits per second? And the answer is Japan. 20th question. Who won the Polygrass Magic Skill Award for 2024-25 for her spectacular solo goal against the world number 1 Netherlands in the FIH Hockey Pro League? And the answer is Deepika. 21st question. According to the QS Best Student Cities Ranking 2026, which is the best city in the world for students? And the answer is Seoul. 22nd question. What is the annual budget for the 2025-26 period for Prime Minister Dhanya Dhan Krishi Yojana that has been recently approved? And the answer is 24,000 crore. 23rd question. The Akash Prime defense system has been developed by whom? And the answer is Defense Research and Development Organization. 24th question. Where is the National Conference on Good Governance Practices being held? And the answer is Bhubaneswar. 25th question. ICAR has recently celebrated its 97th Foundation Day. When was ICAR established? And the answer is 16th July 1929. 26th question. How many days did Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, the first Indian to visit the ISS, spend on the ISS? And the answer is 18 days. 27th question. Tivai Island, which has become a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which country? And the answer is Sierra Leone. 28th question. Which state has announced the Prevention of Offences Against Holy Scriptures Bill in July 2025? And the answer is Punjab. 29th question. Shinkansen is the name of which country's high-speed bullet train system? And the answer is Japan. And the last 30th question. The Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme was launched by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. तो ये थे 18 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे में। तो क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे में 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हेन इज द इंटरनेशनल जस्टिस डे सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, वेयर विल द यूथ स्पिरिचुअल समिट बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इन विच स्टेट हैज़ इंडिया सेकेंड लॉन्गेस्ट केबल स्टेट ब्रिज बीइंग बिल्ट? तो इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।